Hello everyone. So welcome you all in the session of mental health practitioner course. In today's session we are going to understand about the hypnotic drugs. So what are they? Let's try to understand. So what are hypnotics? How do they work actually? So mechanism of action. Hypnotics are drugs that are used to help people to fall asleep. There are many type of hypnotic drugs and doctors recommend it and prescribe them based on the type of sleep problems you have. Lifestyle and sleep habit changes are also effective or for treating certain type of sleep problems. If you have chronic insomnia or problem sleeping, contact with your doctor and or also your healthcare professionals. Doctors specializing in sleep problems, sleep medicine can help you to determine the cause of your insomnia that treat it. Hypnotic drugs are also called sleep aids, sleeping pills, and also soporifics. The type of hypnotics in these drugs called as the FDA has approved 5 type of hypnotic medications for the treatment of the sleep problems, which include the first one is the benzodiazepines. Next is the non-benzodiazepine receptor agonist. The third is the melatonin receptor agonist, and also the fourth is the orexin receptor agonist, and fifth is the antidepressants. So these medications are all effective for treating sleep problems, but they work in different ways. Some sleep medicines only last for the few hours, short acting medications which is called as, while others last longer in the body, the long acting medications as well. Doctors and also other healthcare professionals choose sleep medications based on the type of the sleep problems you have. For example, people who have trouble falling asleep will benefit from a short acting sleep medicine. People who have trouble staying asleep will benefit more from long acting sleep drugs. And also, the side effects of hypnotics depend upon the type of hypnotic used. Some common side effects of some includes called, the first one is the headache. Second is the nausea. Third, it is called as short term forgetfulness. Fourth is the rebound insomnia, dry mouth as well, hallucinations, dizziness, drowsiness, and also withdrawal symptoms. For example, anxiety or insomnia as well. Unpleasant taste, they are finding confusion, dependence along with that. Other side effects of hypnotics may include, the first one is the dizziness, cough, abnormal dreams, you can say diarrhea, and also upper respiratory infections. Stomach upset, loss of coordination, sleeplessness, hair loss, dry skin, loss of appetite, nausea, fatigue, as well as what are the, you can say, the hypnotics used to treat. So, doctors prescribed hypnotics to treat insomnia, and also insomnia is a sleep problem that may involve difficulty in falling or staying asleep. Inadequate sleep affects mood, energy levels, health, and work performance. What drugs or supplements interact with hypnotics? So, what drugs or supplements interact with hypnotics? So, combining sleep medications or using other medications that also cause drowsiness will lead to the severe drowsiness. Stimulants such as amphetamines or coffee induce the effect of sleep medicines. Common causes of insomnia, which is called as are stress, traumatic events, when you are feeling depressed, you couldn't sleep, when you have too much thoughts as well, you couldn't sleep, anxiety, and medications as well. If you know the cause of your insomnia and treat, so it may reduce the need, to deduct the sleep medications to aid and to induce sleep. So this is all about the hypnotic drugs. Thank you so much for joining this session. I hope you have understood this in a very well mannered way.